Hi guys, today I'm making something super delicious. Crispy chicken fillet with Japanese teriyaki sauce. So let's get started. Crispy chicken fillet with teriyaki sauce is a delicious fusion dish that combines golden, crunchy chicken fillet with a rich and savory Japanese-style teriyaki glaze. First, let's prepare our marinade. In a bowl, combine half kilo of chicken breast with garlic powder, ground pepper, salt, ginger powder, and 1 egg. Mix everything well until the chicken is evenly coated. Let the chicken marinate for at least 30 minutes to 1 hour to soak up all that flavor. Once marinated, coat the chicken pieces with breadcrumbs. This will give us that crispy finish later. Heat oil in a pan over medium heat. Fry the chicken until it's golden brown and crispy on both sides. Once done, set them aside and let the excess oil drain. Let's make the Japanese teriyaki sauce. In a saucepan, pour in soy sauce, brown sugar, rice vinegar, and ginger powder. Stir until the sugar is fully dissolved. Next, add the minced garlic and the cornstarch slurry. That's just cornstarch mixed with water. Stir slowly and continuously until the sauce thickens into a nice glaze. Once the sauce is ready, turn off the heat and sprinkle in some sesame seeds for that extra flavor. And there you have it. Crispy chicken fillet topped with rich homemade teriyaki sauce, perfect with rice or on its own. Give it a try and let me know what you think. Thanks for watching!
Yung lasa ng chicken, okay naman siya, and hindi naman siya na-overcook. It's still yung parang may katas pa rin na lumalabas dun sa chicken. And yung sauce naman, saktong-sakto lang siya to yung parang kontrahin yung lasa ng chicken. Pero in a good way. Yung sauce is matamis siya, which is good para sa akin kasi I'm more on sweet sauces. So overall, this is good for business, and especially I will recommend this to other
So, regarding my favorite dessert dish, which is the chicken fillet, I think yung chicken, okay naman yung pagkaluto niya. But, and when it comes to sa sauce, strong yung flavor niya, which is nag-emphasize kung ano talaga ang flavor pag kinumbay mo ng duwa. So, pag kinakan mo tong chicken fillet together with the sauce, it complements each other because parang kulang yung lasa ng chicken pero okay naman yung sauce. That is why it is good for me.
So sa appearance, golden brown naman. Actually, naman yung golden brown. Yung sauce, yung consistency of sauce, maganda naman. Okay naman siya. Very thick. Hindi naman yung matagal. Kinamitan mo siya, cornstarch. I go. Excellent. So, sa taste, regarding sa taste, yung sa chicken tama, chicken. So, tender naman, tender siya. And yung sa sauce, yung consistency of sauce, feeling ko na-overpower na yung sa chicken. Although, nagpa-balance naman siya. Balance. Woo! Balance! Uy, ang crispy niya, legit. Yung crispiness niya, yung chicken. Tapos, bagay talaga siya sa sauce, which is very Japanese. There you go. Thank you.
So, self-review. For me, sa luto ko is sa chicken, super crispy talaga siya and tender yung yung lasa. Tapos, sa sauce, okay naman siya kapag minimix na sa chicken. Pero, mas nalalasahan ko yung soy sauce. Medyo maalat siya.